This is Tracy for Diva on a Budget. I am back to couponing after my surgery. Yay! So get back in the shadow, get back in the ropes. Yay, 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 yay. So I went to Target. So over here, I got two of the silver-plated necklaces. We had a $5 coupon. They were $4.99, so they made them free with a penny overage. The flip-flops was $2.50, so I got two pair of those, and I had $2 off any sandals or flip-flops, so 50 cents a piece. I got the Hello Kitty dollar spot. Love Hello Kitty. Had to get that. The nail polish remover. We had a 50-cent coupon, but it didn't have no size restriction, so I got this smallest one, so I got a little bit overage of that. The Dove, I had one, the Facebook campaign they had, when you pick the slew for which, you know, difference in the bar. So I got a coupon, so they took the max of that. I don't know how much he took off the max, so it was $4 something for the max, $3.99, so that was free, probably with overage. The Kellogg's Corn Pops, I had an issue with some cereal for Kellogg's, so they gave me a free coupon up to $5, so I got the max of that. The De La Leche Cheerios, I had a free coupon for that, for any Cheerio product, because I had some Cheerios that were old, so they sent me a coupon. With the Edy's, I think they took the coupon because it's still with Edy's Outshine, whatever. I guess those old packaging, so they were $2.99. So had $2 coupons, made them 99 cents. If I made a mistake, I'm sorry. They took them because it's still the same. They changed the name. The carrots was $1.63. I had a Target produce coupon, $1 off any produce, so made them $1.63. It was $1.63 with $1 off 63 cents. I got 2 boxes of the Edy's, so out of pocket I paid $3.23. How about those on my first shopping trip back to Target? Yay! So this is Tracy for Diva on a Budget. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.